London past and present. Over 400 years ago, there were not as many people living in England as there are today. In London, buildings were much smaller. Big Ben and the tall skyscrapers that you can see in London today had not yet been built. The big red buses and the London Tube had not been invented. People travelled on horses or walked.
Hit the road!
The streets of London were dirty and smelly.
Pew!
There were no drains or flushing toilets. Rubbish was thrown out onto the street. Today, we have flushing toilets inside our homes.
Yeah!
Woo!
More and more people moved from the countryside to London. They did not want to work on farms anymore. They wanted to find better jobs and earn more money.
Oh yeah!
This is how the City of London began to grow. Today, it is the biggest city in the UK. Now, just over 8 million people live in and around London.